Finding wigs that look like your natural hair and fit seamlessly can feel impossible, but Hairvivi truly makes finding your perfect fit super easy. They are offering unblemished units right away, and today I'm going to be showing you how to not only measure your head, select your favorite unit, but also check it for the quality and install it in minutes. Y'all know I'm here to save y'all time, energy, and money, so let's get into a few units that will do just that. I have had some of my Hairvivi units for years at this point, and I'm not disappointed. I have not been, and obviously the quality just gives what I needed to give time and time again. So they are actually having a huge sale on their website, and I personally would take advantage of this. My Hairvivi units have lasted the test of time. I started working with them back in about 2016, so to have moments like this where wigs, are named literally after me, I'm having the chance to collaborate with the brand on a ton of things behind the scenes, just make this full circle for me 100%. If you are a beginner and don't really know where to start, they actually offer a quiz that will walk you through step-by-step personalized units for you, whether you want curly, wavy, straight, whether you want blonde, highlights, dark brown units. You guys, they literally have everything to offer on the site. Once you fill out that quiz, of course, provide them a few more details about you. Enter your email, you will get $30 off in addition to whatever other sales they already have going on the site. You definitely want to make sure that you check out my description box so that you do not miss any special coupon codes that I may have to offer as well. And then they will actually give you quite a few units that are personalized to you in addition to that discount. Now today, I already had my eyes on this one unit. Super pretty, well highlighted balayage bangs. You guys, you know I live for a layered unit. Today's no different. Now, the one thing that I love about Hairvivi, they are super detailed. They make it a point to explain everything in detail. So when it comes to the measurements, if you need another visual aside from myself, it is available on the website. So far, I'm taking the circumference of my actual head. It was exactly 21 inches, my lucky number, also my birthday. Okay. Anyway, so once I got that number, of course, you want to just make note of it in your head or write it down. That is the circumference of your head. Then from the front to the nape of your neck, despite my ponytail, I automatically knew I was about 13 inches there minus the bulk, okay? And then of course from ear to ear, I was exactly about 12.5. So I knew immediately that I was a cap size medium. If for any reason your measurements are smaller, go smaller, or larger, go larger. But remember, the cap is totally adjustable. So a medium is typically the average size for most people, whether you're looking at centimeters or inches. I know I don't mean to take y'all back to school, but just to make sure you are spending your money and not wasting your time, you definitely, once you click add to cart and you check out, you are not just gonna want to go through this process and then have to ship it all back. Let's get it right the first time, because these units are very, very much so great quality and will last you a long time. So we want to get it right the first time. And this is also their 8th anniversary. Hairvivi has just been such a blessing over my life. Y'all have no clue. When it comes to glueless units, I was really having trouble finding brands that just really understood what it means to have a fitted cap, true bleach knots. I mean, instructional videos to save the day all the time. If you guys have no clue what to do, they will figure it out for you. They are the expert. You guys don't even have to worry about true scalp tape, wig caps, braiding your hair down. If you want to, you can. If you want to be like me and do it the lazy girl way, girl, sleek that hair back into a quick little low pony or braid, flip it up on that wig cap and call it a day, okay? Now, obviously, the professional in me says absolutely braid the hair down, but if you don't have the time, don't feel bad about it. We have adjustable caps so that if for any reason it needs to be a little bit more snug, a little bit less snug, you have full autonomy in what that looks like. And of course, sliding this on is super easy. The only reason I have on a wig cap is because my hair literally was just, it wasn't properly braided down for a wig. I'm here to show you it can be done. I typically wear my wigs for the moment of the day, okay? So for example, if I know that I'm going to an event or I'm going, I don't know, wherever it is that I feel like I want to be a little bit more put together in certain ways and I want to throw on that wig, I am absolutely going to put it on. By the time I come home, it is going to be off. That is also how I've done a great job of not only protecting my hairline, but my actual hair. I'm not locked down to a wig. I don't have to really do too much worrying about glue and all of that. You could absolutely install this unit If you are one of those people that don't feel comfortable taking it off and putting it on, that's okay. You can glue it down. I have videos for that as well. But me personally, I am a glueless girly, okay? And the camera working spray has always, as of lately, I'm saying always, but probably for about 8 months now, has been my go-to spray just as a light holding spray to get rid of any flyaways. It also adds a bit of a shine. And when you go in to trim off that lace, you guys, just be very careful. You can kind of take your time with it. The lace is absolutely going to melt into the skin. If you don't end up taking off as much as you need to, I think I had a little bitty spot where I could have taken off just a little bit more. You can do it. If the ear tabs kind of bother you and you're like, Chrissy, why aren't they sitting flat? 9 times out of 10, the wig is too tight. Too tightly adjusted on your actual head. So just keep that in mind. And if that's not the case for you and you still just have them kind of sitting up, you can always apply a little bit of hairspray on those tabs. I like to use to pump it up because it just has that super hold, and y'all can see, okay, we are still glueless at this point. Everything looks really, really good. Nice bleach, flawless knots. Now, I am a bit of a perfectionist, so if you are not the type of person that feels like you absolutely just want to throw on that wig and go, and you don't mind a little bit of volume in the crown area, cool. I mean, the video is pretty much done from here. But for me, I do like a polished look. I do want it to look like I just left the salon. And so that's what I'm here for. You guys get to see the difference in just how going through the hair with the hot comb at the very roots of it, or even washing it. You could have totally washed it, allowed it to air dry on a mannequin head. It will lay super flat. Either way, you have options. I take a little bit of hairspray just to go through, get rid of those flyaways. You see the shine that it adds. It's not weighing the hair down at all. And the parting space on this is immaculate. This is a 13x6 realistic, okay? Realistic hairline, and the parting is just everything that you need. So whether you decide to do a side part, middle part, no part, flip over, you have the options. There are so many different types of caps on their actual site as well. So you really kind of got it made in heaven. And the best thing is, nobody wants to buy a wig and then have to buy another one a couple months later. Avoiding the glue is really going to be your best friend, because I mean, think about it. The glue is actually holding on to the lace, and the lace is attached with the hair. They are like working together. So you do run the risk of kind of like pulling out strands that you didn't really mean to. But just look at how flawless the hair looks. I haven't even had time to talk about the balayage. You guys, Hairvivi is the #1 company when I think about coloring units. I'm almost at the process where I'm like, girl, if I need a wig, I don't even know that I would actually personally color it myself at this point in time, because Hairvivi just does such a great job. If anything, I'm just going to go to their site, find the color that I'm looking for, and check out. I mean, it's just that simple. At this point, they are even saving me time and energy. So although you guys know this is my #1 hair brand, I mean, you guys are going to see me work with other companies because I have to give them a fair shot. But I'm sorry, time and time again, Hairvivi has just made it to the top of the list effortlessly. The hair curls like a dream. It holds on to product. You don't have to worry about doing too much to it. I mean, this is straight out of the box. You guys are seeing all that I've done is added a little bit of that working spray, hit the roots just a teeny tiny bit, and y'all, come on. I mean, it's looking like Scalp at this point, and I love that I did not have to worry and fuss with like trying to lay down a wig cap and, you know, do the hairspray method. You guys, this really cuts down on the time. If you are somebody that says, hey, I actually want to go to my stylist, get my ends trimmed, which I do recommend, and then have her do a braid down, girl, this could be the protective style, 100%. Obviously, on my channel, I like to post a bunch of style options, but when you have it this made in heaven, I mean, I'm just kind of like, I mean, seriously, you don't have to worry about it. The wig can be an everyday thing. If you're with the right person, okay, I don't think they should be judging you for putting on your wig, taking it off. Like, it shouldn't be a thing, especially if you're taking care of your natural hair. And even if you are in that situation and you don't have a lot of hair, because I've had messages like that, like, Chrissy, you know, I really want a glueless unit, but I don't really know how to install it properly, and I'm nervous my wig is gonna slide off. Like, and I get it. You guys, you can totally go in and use a little like hairspray if you want. They even have like the tapes now if you want to hold down the flaps. But I promise you, these wigs fit like a glove, okay? Not like a headache, because you should not be having it so tight to where your head is hurting, but definitely snug enough to where you can whip your hair back and forth and it's not falling off. So this is truly made for every woman, definitely giving elegance and just like, girl, okay, I am proud to be associated with this brand. At this point, if there's anything that you guys feel that you need from me personally, Chrissy, I don't feel like you showed this part. I don't understand how you did this. I mean, please leave it down in the comments. Y'all know I'm not one of those people that are like super offended when you guys say certain things. I just want honesty, because that's what I'm going to give to you. And I love that you guys have trusted my opinion. Anytime that I've gotten a comment from any of you guys about, oh, Hairvivi did not do this, or they're sending you guys better wigs, you guys, they literally will address you individually and make sure that they are on top of your specific situation. So just find a little bit of grace. No brand is going to be 100% perfect, but I do think their customer service, the quality, what you are investing in is really going to give back to you as well. And you have options, you have versatility. If you are also afraid to curl your natural hair and you kind of are like skeptical about wearing wigs, I think this kind of serves as a great way to show you, girl, it can be done the quote unquote right way and you don't have to feel embarrassed about it. Try it out. Send me pictures. If you have trouble, I'm literally just a DM away. Now, okay, I will say TikTok is growing on me, okay? But Instagram, I'm literally always there. I'm constantly checking my DMs and also my YouTube comments. TikTok, for whatever reason, I get notifications super late and delayed. So my apologies there. But again, if y'all need anything, just let me know. The hair is always giving me a 10 out of 10. And I'm loving this little tan that I got going on because I really just felt like a little bombshell. And with my new obsession, Love Island, I wanted nothing more but for a lot of the ladies to actually be wearing Hairvivi units. I'm not gonna lie. Like, seriously, do y'all see the melt? Okay, literally picking this up, putting it down, and it is just flawless. A true skin melt, realistic unit. The color is doing everything that I needed to do. The hair was soft, had a lot of volume. It was not thin in density at all. Super easy to just throw on and go. And at this point, I do actually think I could get away with this color going into the fall. I mean, I'm gonna try to hang on to my tan for as long as I possibly can. But really and truly, this just made me feel so beautiful, so pretty, and just like effortless. I did not have to do much to it. Y'all didn't see me sit here and curl for a million hours. That's it. That's truly all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's so easy to just throw it on and take it off. And as always, y'all know I love y'all. Stay pretty, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, babies.